There we go. I did my job. Yeah! Got it, Gino. No, baby. I don't know what happened. I'll be honest, we don't have a Yeah, you're kind of all over the place. Woo! Yeah. Come on,
You have somebody locally that works in the wrestling?
I do have somebody that I can, because what the girl that you have me doing in August, she's been messaging me a lot. She did tell me that.
She might be okay, but I want to have a backup.
Yes, Arthur actually said I can use Kate Thorne. She actually is, I'll send you a couple videos, but she's the girl that we debuted on Battlefield a couple months back.
She's local by you guys?
Yes, so she'd come with us. Yeah, we already said, so she'd carpool with us, it'd be great.
Yeah, so I got a room for the girls.
Yeah.
And a room for all the rest of us and stuff. But I thought it was going to be you and her, but we'll see. But at least we know who's back.
Got you. I messaged you. I was going to message you, and then she actually just messaged me yesterday. She told me, she's like, it's been hurting. I tried to put it off. She's like, I feel bad.
Because I actually had another spot for her, another show.
Yeah.
And she's like, I can be ready by then. She goes, I don't even know if I'm going to be ready by then. I'm like, it's August. It's a lot. We got a lot of time.
Yeah. Hopefully she gets better, though. I hope so. I got you, Gino.
My turn! Kick out the leg! My turn!
I know. Yeah, I know. I was trying to tell you to move. That's it. Yeah, that wasn't going to work. Ew! What was that? Where are they going? Woo! Yeah, Tamir! There he is. Woo! Oh, no! Come on, Tamir! Oh, Woo! Let's slap him. Do it again, Tamir! One more time! One more time! This kid's so pretty much. Tamir's a pretty wrestler. Woo! Come on, Tamir! Trying to get him enough, like, I can't get it up. No. See, you're gonna fuck it up now.
I know, but there's a way you can go. There you go.
I don't trust this ref either. Good point.
Tommy, bro!
Ah, you leave Tommy alone!
Isn't there a way you can go like...
Nope, you're good right there.
Okay,
Yeah, Tamir, come on! Woo!
I got it.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm wrestling! What do you want? What do you think wrestling?
Come on, Tamir! Slap it, Tamir! Woo!
Why does everyone keep walking in front
I know, yeah, I know. I said this to him before, but he didn't want to listen to me. And then he got a whole conversation between me and Gino. Woo!
My bad.
So it's okay. He must have seen me go like this. Come on, Samir! That was going on.
Yep.
I didn't mean to.
It's okay. Come on, Tamir!
This is why I'm not a photographer.
Facts.
Joke's on you! I threw up in the parking lot!
What?
Wow.
Oh my god, me too!
Wow. Aggressive Tommy.
Me
Wow.
too, buddy.
Face!
I threw up in the parking lot too.
You do?
You're not special. You're not special.
Yeah.
That was right.
That is right. Tracy's
love. You did us.
You are. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Does he have intermission?
Get up!
Yes, Amir. Ay, Dios mío. Ey, ay, caramba. No me gusta esto.
Want to see him fly?
No! Boring!
Slap him, Tamir.
Give him that bitch slap!
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah! Oh, ew. Look like a cat. What are we so far?
Come on, Tamir. Come on, Tamir.
Oh!
Yeah, baby.
Come on, oh.
Yes! That's it! I got him!
Whoa!
I'm back with it. You can't do backwards like that. It should work.
No, Tamir!
Tracy. He's always going to be a
Here's your winner,